First step is to thread the ink tube into the first corresponding outlet, attaching the following barrels in turn. Put this ink tube through this hole. 4 ink tubes go through together. Please note that the ink tube may be crushed or bent out of shape when inserted. Now, put 4 ink tubes. Cut out a length of approximately 50 mm. Tie the end of the black tube tightly. Pull out the drawer. Open the cap. Remove the sealing film. Unscrew the lid of the ink drum. Pour the corresponding color of ink into the can be poured all the way through. Can also be fitted with ink nozzles for refilling. Tighten the cap and inking is complete. Finish loading the other 3 colors of ink as well. First, lay a layer of cloth on the conveyor belt. Prevents ink from dripping onto the conveyor belt. Take out this bag of parts. Putting the 2 parts together. Rotate, tighten. On the smaller end, connect the ink tube. Attention, top to bottom. As shown in the picture, connect the remaining 3 as well. To prevent ink from dripping onto the printhead circuit board, cut the spun out nozzles. A dust-free cloth or paper towel is required. First, fold the dust-free cloth. Now for the ink draw. Insert the needle into the ink tube first. Loosen the tie. Slowly push the syringe to draw the ink into the barrel. Part of the ink was drawn. To bend the ink tube, gently pull out the needle. Punch the ink into the empty bottle. Remember to hold on to the ink tube. Take out the connector you have just prepared, inserting the connector into the ink tube. Once connected, place the thin tube in the bottle. Drain a little ink to make sure there is no air in the ink tube. You can put the bottle at the bottom to make it easier for the ink to drain. After the ink has been drained, the ink tube needs to be folded in half. Otherwise, the ink will drip out. 根据墨块上的颜色对接口，把墨管连接起来。 Now to connect the thin ink tube to the printhead. Slowly and carefully insert the ink tube into the connection part on the ink block. Try to insert it as far as possible. This completes the rest of the 3 ink tubes. Just follow our first. This connection will be fine. This short one just rips off. They are attached with double-sided tape. 2 long ones left. Attaching them to the nozzle. The black one is a little narrower than the white one. Black is for the top plug. White with plug underneath. Be observant. If you can't get it in, just swap. Access the white one first. To clasp, pull out slowly first, letting the clips loose. Insert the cable again. Above the roll of wires is electrically conductive metal wiring. On the back is a blue sticker, metal parts facing upwards. Insert. OK. Ensure insertion in place. First put snap fasteners on one side. Then press the other side firmly. Press on both sides at the same time. Make sure it snaps tight. No looseness. Then connect this small. Same method of insertion. Fasten one side first. Both sides fastened at the same time. Ensure tight insertion. Tidy up the cable routing. Then plug it into the motherboard's board. It is the other way around. Black is access to you. White is access to you. Connect the white cable first. Conductive part facing left. We face the left-hand side of the machine. Glue towards the right-hand side. Ensure tight insertion. Press firmly on one side first. Press the other side firmly again. Then press simultaneously. Observe for tight insertion. There are no offsets. Make sure it's okay. Insert another article. Snap out. Inserting the cable. Also observe. Make sure it's inserted tightly. If not, press firmly again. Exhaust cable installation completed. Drain line and ink pipe installed. There is also a protective cap on the nozzle. We open and take down. Carabiner here. Gently break off. It's the same here. 2 more snaps at the back. Take it straight out. Align the nozzle with the jam here. Six jams. When the ink drum is connected to the ink tube,